them guys that built it. There's a mighty draft coming in these windows, even with the vent shut. You can see there's a big gap here. So I've taken this one off. It's all wet and nasty looking. And what I'm going to do is just put a bit of silicone around the edge here, and then put the vent back on, and that should hopefully seal it up. So you can take these vents off. You just pop these covers are on there, and they're like, it's as if they're there to secure it. Like there's something they don't want you to see behind there. That's how tight they are. So you just take these screws out. That, and then we'll just give this a clean. I'm just going to clean it now with a bit of toilet roll or wipe, whatever you've got. It's another new build house thing. This, it was just windows have just been thrown up in 5 minutes. So now we'll just get the silicone. Right, so we'll start at this side. I'm just going to put like a line like this all the way along. Try and keep it all covered. And then right up the top here. So that's a bit low. And then the same with this one. Okay. And then get the vent. Put the screw in first. And I'm just gonna, like, in fact, I'll do this bit first. I'm just gonna move it up over the silicone just so it's definitely got a good seal. Like that, it's grabbed on quick there. And get these screws back in the same holes they came out of. I'm gonna make new holes. That's good. Actually, there. There. And this one. Again, just push it up over the silicone there. Try and line up the holes. Holes are way over there in this one. Missed the hole. There. And then I'll just screw these back up. Nice and tight. And just wipe away the excess into the gap there, or where there was a gap. There's no gap now. I'll go in the bin and then put these little covers in, which were, I broke a knife trying to get them out. There we go. Them guys that built it. no more drafty windows. The vent will let a little bit of air in. But when that's shut, the wind will push that shut instead of it coming in through the little gap at the bottom there, which is all sealed up now.